How to add a new location in Google Maps Easy Guide. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a new location that is not on Maps, but you can just add right away. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. In order to add a new location in Google Maps, like your business or a missing place on Maps, what we do is we go ahead and then first of all, launch Google Maps on our device. Once you launch Google Maps, tap on the plus icon which says contribute from the bottom right. Then there you can see the option that says add place. Tap on the add place button. From add a place section, you have to select what you want to add, whether you're trying to add your business. So if it is, tap on this option that says is this your business. If not, tap on enter the page details. So enter your place name, category, address, located within a certain area, and after that hit the submit button. And once you hit the submit button, you'll be able to add a place on Google Maps. If the location is not quite accurate, go to edit map location and drag this red cursor over to the one where the location is exactly at. So this way you can go ahead and then add a new location on Maps. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.